That one is still trying to take a dump. It's constipated. Hey, you know that white one?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. Do you even have a YouTube account?
Yeah.
Okay.
I seriously don't know. But he has like
Our little bug's in trouble. Oh, look, those over there. Jeez. No, over here. They're so mad.
Why are they so mad?
I don't know. They must be pooping on people.
Lord knows what they're doing. Hey, that one is still in there.
Oh, look, there's one up there. Oh,
Hey, I got it. Oh, yeah. He's just dead.
Little feather. Who knows what they're doing? Feather this one.
It's like, forget you birds. I'm flying. I'm free. No. Just drop down like a freaking bullet. You know, that water sets the whole scene.
Yeah. It's true.
Wow, that one is constipated. He's not doing anything.
Yeah, he's like,
Oh, come on.
face all look. That one just like punch himself in the face.
How long are you even watching birds anyway?
Oh, look, they go. They go. You did. Oh, there's one. He looks like he's coming.
Yeah, that's the name of the show, boy.
Yeah.
Pretend he didn't hear that. I'm waiting for a freaking race.
That one just went going.
And suckers.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye, birds.